Another super cool and common caterpillar. This is the woolly worm. These things are real cool. They got the fuzzy body, and when you pick them up, they should do this. Let's see if it doesn't. Roll into a little ball. Yep. And yeah, those little things in its back are toxic, and they make it uncomfortable for predators when they eat them. And yeah, they can cause skin irritations. And they also protect them from the cold. They insulate them. And these guys can actually freeze solid during the winter. And but they won't die because they have natural antifreeze in their bodies, so they will still be alive. Pretty amazing. And the adult form is the Isabella tiger moth. Yes. Looky here, we got a common grasshopper. What's up, buddy?